Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I give the list of 45 phrasal verbs that is important for your board exams. The number 1 is Raima stayed in a hotel. Stayed, answer is put up. The headmaster distributed the prizes to the successful candidates. Distributed is underlined, gave away. Number 3. Our school magazine is going to be published shortly. Brought out. Two friends quarreled for nothing. Fell out. The girl resembles her mother. Takes after. Evening starts early in winter. Sets in. Our school closes at 4:30 p.m. Closes, breaks up. The patient will recover soon. Come round. The great leader died last week. Died will be passed away. Number 10. Antara had read the book. Gone through. I cannot remember his address. Call up. The man is chasing a dog. Chasing will be running after. Extinguish the fire. Put out. This one is very important. The enemy surrendered at last. Gave in. There is nobody to take care of the old man. Look after. We were late at school as the rain came. Set in. The teacher is examining the answer script. Examining will be looking into. I shall see you at your school. See will be call on. Number 18. Please note the name of the book. Take down. Nobody inquires the maths. Looks into. White represents purity. Stands for. The bomb exploded in a market. Exploded will be went off. The underlined word. The meeting continued for 2 hours. Went on. The patient will recover within a week. Come round. Please do not reject my proposal. Turn down. He wore a white shirt. Put on. A fire erupted in the market last night. Broke out. She wrote the class notes correctly. Put down. Number 29. We stayed in a good hotel. Put up. The strike was withdrawn. Called off. They are in search of a guide. In search will be looking for. The sum is easy to solve. Work out for solve. Mr. Khan founded a cancer hospital at Lahore. Set up. He removed his hat before he entered the hall. Removed will be took off. The students appeared in time. Turned up. Number 36. The match was cancelled due to heavy rain. Called off. Now I will give you Madhyamik West Bengal board exam 2018. Number 37. They started their journey early in the morning. Started their journey will be set out. I cannot understand what you are saying. Understand will be make out. 39. The man abandoned evil company. Abandoned will be gave up. Madhyamik 2019. Khudiram sacrificed his life for his motherland. Sacrificed, gave up. Police is investigating the case. Investigating will be looking into. I am trying to find a job. Trying to find will be looking for. Madhyamik 2020. The dog followed the thief. Went after. Followed will be went after. Have you read this book? Read will be gone through. The chief guest distributed the prizes. Distributed is gave away. So here is the list of 45 phrasal verbs, and to those who like this video, of course like me and share your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you.